Hello students, welcome to my class on Principles of Management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management of Assam Downtown University. In my previous presentations, I gave you a concept about management, the definition about management, and the different characteristics. So by now, all of you must be having some ideas about the subject called management. Now, in this particular class, I will be discussing with you all in detail about the importance of management, why management is important, and why do we have to learn management. So, management today has become a very important aspect of all forms of organizations. And it is expected that as students of management, we also learn about the different management styles, techniques, and therefore the subject is included as an important core paper in every management syllabus. The aim of all managers today is to improve the level of their productivity, efficiency, as well as effectiveness. We know that productivity is an important aspect today, and it can be improved by ensuring efficiency and effectiveness in the operations of every organization. Effectiveness refers to the achievement of stated organizational objectives, while efficiency denotes the judicious use of resources to achieve the organizational objectives. So, in the words of Sir Peter Drucker, efficiency means doing things right, and effectiveness means doing the right things. So, management will teach students how to do the right things. That means the smart way of doing things. Of course, hard work is also very essential. But if you're smarter, then your work can be more effective and it will be completed within the stipulated period of time that has been allotted. And therefore, in this context, today, we are here to discuss the importance of management. In my upcoming presentations, I will be discussing in detail about the importance of management with you all. Thank you very much.